From online shops to in-store purchases, I want to educate the youth by becoming young entrepreneurs by reselling products that increase income by reselling shoes or streetwear. From beginners to advanced reselling methods, I show you ways to make money from the comfort of your chair to early morning grinding sessions. Join me into living a reseller lifestyle.
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to yet another video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to cop the new Yeezys releasing tomorrow called the Lundmark. I do believe that they did release on Yeezy Supply for the reflective ones, and as well on the apps for the reservation and pickups at the foot sites and stuff like that. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the AIO bot and how to copy it using my method. I did take a fat L using the black ones this time. I usually get every single pair of Yeezys, but for some reason I just took a fat L on those. So yeah, guys, so I'm going to show you guys the best method that I use in my technique and usually what works and what doesn't work. So yeah, here we go. So the first thing you guys want to do is go ahead and go to SellSneakerz.com. Obviously, this is the best shoe site to go to find out what future stuff is going to be happening and stuff with releases on shoes and stuff like that. Like I said, it's going to be releasing on Saturday morning, which is 7-13-2019. It is going to be going for $220. After tax, is looking about $242 in store or even online and stuff like that. So yeah. So the shoe is going to be releasing on Adidas US, Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Action, East Bay, JD Sports, Finish Line, and then as well as other sorts of websites that are located on here. So the first thing that you guys will obviously want to do is go ahead and open up your AIO bot. Once you're opening up your AIO bot, you want to make sure you got like the latest update and stuff like that. So once you have that set up, just like I said, make sure that you have the most recent update on the bot and stuff like that. So you have like obviously the best updates. After that, you just want to go ahead and go on to add new. But if you don't know how to use your billing stuff, go ahead and put your billing information. I'm going to have my stuff covered right here since my stuff is showing. All you want to do is go to add new. Go ahead and fill out this information. If you want to add multiple stuff to the same billing address, all you want to do is change up the name, the address, kind of jig it a little bit like I was talking to you about both my previous video and stuff like that. And then go ahead and save that information. Your best bet is to obviously use privacy cards using www.privacy.com. Privacy pretty much just creates virtual credit cards for you guys, so you're able to use different credit cards without being caught using the same credit card at the same time. This shoe is also going to be releasing on Yeezy Supply. That's probably one of the best recommendations that I would use for you guys, depending on how many shoes you're trying to get, and then the best chances of actually getting the shoe if you are not able to go to in-store. But yeah, guys, so go ahead and click on save, and after that's done, I'm going to go into your proxies list. I already have my proxy set up right here. I do use cookie proxies and stuff like that, so that is something that I do recommend. You can also use other proxies that you want to use. There's different types, data center ones. I also made a video about it. If you want me to get more into that, I can make a separate video, what proxies are and what servers are and what the stuff is and what they do. And after that, you pretty much just want to enable them. If you don't know how to enable them, just go ahead and press this green button. That enables the stuff to be on there. You can either have your normal proxies, which is just the ones that are usually normal, or the ones that monitor the site and stuff with their monitor list and stuff like that. Harvester is kind of a little bit confusing. I don't really mess with that stuff. I kind of just let the stuff do its own thing. As you can see, I got this added when the glows were actually in my cart, size 10. I wasn't able to check out due to the fact that I was messing around with the new AIO bot version V2 since I was only understanding the V1. So I was a little thrown off by this. But as you can see, this does work, AIO bot. And yeah, so like I said, let's go back into the task. Go ahead and add new. Depending on which website you want to do, whether it's a Shopify or a foot site, which I recommend you guys going for foot sites, and then Shopify as well like that for Yeezy Supply, then you guys are good, and as well as Adidas. So go ahead and mess around with that stuff depending on what website you want to go on. I'm going to go ahead and click on foot sites. And then the PID number is actually going to be the one right here in SellSneakerz. I actually already copied it, but I'm going to do it again. Copy this, then go back into the bot, and then PID. Going to go ahead and paste that inside of there. Click any specific size you want. You can add multiple by doing 8.5, and then I believe, and button. Let's see. Whoops. Money sign. Whoopsies. There you go. And then 10. So it goes for 8.5 first, and then 10, and etc. like that. So yeah, there you go. See, foot site multiply size separated with and is not supporting random is something blah 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 blah. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put 8.5 for mine. And then obviously you guys, when you can either log in into your account or use guest. I really just recommend you guys doing guest checkout. Billing selected, make sure you guys collect the ones that you want. Here are mine right here. And then once that's done, click on save. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on one of these random ones. All billing. Oops. And then the number of tests that you want to start, and click save. So now we have it here, guys. This is for Chance Sports. Like I said, you could change it depending on what foot set you want it for. The best foot sets that I recommend you actually trying out would probably be Foot Action. Foot Action actually gets through a lot. Second would be Champs. Then third would probably be Foot Locker. But yeah, so this is pretty much how you guys do it. Obviously, you guys want to create as many accounts or guest passes or stuff like that, or tasks, I should say, as possible. And then yeah, so then after that, you want to start this maybe 2 minutes prior to the drop. You guys do want to have different proxies provided, like I said. I have multiple, as you can see right here. And yeah, so just make sure you guys enable that. Make sure you guys are not using your IP address, because if you guys are just using your IP address and not using proxies, there is a higher chance of you actually getting banned. So yeah, guys, it's pretty much the easiest setup and how to do that stuff like that. I also recommend, like I said, using this for Yeezy Supply. You can actually even do it manually using Yeezy Supply, using your cell phone, iPad, Android, stuff like that, or anything like that. I know there's a video for a bypass thing. I'm pretty sure you just pretty much bookmark the thing and refresh it, but if I need to, I'll make a separate video on that. If you guys want to go check out that video, go ahead and check out this guy named Mandrew. I recently believe he made a video. I know he's one of the top shoe YouTubers out there. I know he's been inactive just like me for a while, so I do know that. And I do apologize for not making a lot of videos lately, guys. I've been so busy trying to get my motorcycle license in the state of Illinois, which I did pass today, so I'm actually really excited about that. I was actually able to purchase a 2007 Yamaha R6, so I'm probably going to be making some separate videos on that, and then just pretty much showing you guys how I was able to afford that for a specific time of, and having a extra income amount of still being able to buy shoes and stuff like that. So guys, if you guys enjoyed my video, make sure you guys hit that like button, make sure you guys subscribe, and if you guys have any comments or concerns, make sure you guys send me something through the comment section, or even just message me through my email address. Alright guys, thank you so much, and good luck for tomorrow, and hopefully you guys cop multiple pairs or even get one for your personals and stuff like that. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Peace.